Alright guys, today we are hanging out at Luisa's friend's place. She has a little Sari Sari store, and figured I'd show you the little Sari Sari store here that her friend has. Sari Sari, you guys heard me say Sari Sari quite a bit as we walk along the road, different stores here and there as we walk. But Sari Sari stands for variety. Variety of everything inside the store. And but anyways, we are, like I said, at her friend's Sari Sari store here. It's actually Dau area that she lives. Right here's the street that her store is on. It's Sunday, everything's kind of quiet. People just kind of moseying about. But she rents out this room, this little store area here. She doesn't own the place, so she rents it out. But I mean, you can see, you come up to her little store here, and she's got fencing, of course, so no one can break in when she's gone. And she actually stays here, lives here and everything, right in her little store. Come up to the window here. If you want to purchase something, you say?
Pabili po.
Pabili po.
Yes. What can I do? What do you want to buy?
What do I want to buy? What do you have to sell?
We had some bread.
Some delicious
snacks,
bread. Snacks. Chips. Gatorade.
Everything's coffee.
Macano?
It's cheap, 110.
Oh, 110. Oh, outstanding. Anyways, we're going to step inside and show you the little Sari Sari store. All right, now we're inside the little Sari Sari store. Look, you want to give us a...
What?
You want to give us a, I don't know, tell us what's for sale? Yeah, tour, there you go.
Rexona. We have, what's words? Different kind of things. This is seasoning.
Seasoning?
Yeah. That's vinegar, soy sauce, ketchup, Yakult, small juice, coffee, Milo. That's powder milk, Coke, and Enebro.
Enebra.
Yeah, that's Emperador there.
We got Emperador. More coffee.
This
What do we have here?
sardines.
Sardines.
That's lechon meat.
Lechon
kind
meat.
of like spam or something. There's shampoo here.
What's this here?
This is fabric.
Fabric softener for your clothes.
Yeah. That's shampoo.
And we have
Shampoo.
shampoo. What's Gillette? Oh, razors.
This is razor.
What's this?
This is glow. Ano to yan? Ano to siya? Glow, yeah. Still a razor.
More razors. Buddha.
Yeah, Buddha.
And they have a barangay clearance for business permit, which you need if you're selling what? Cigarettes
and alcohol.
And alcohol. You need the permit. What is that? Yearly, monthly, or just one time? Yearly. So you have to get a permit. And down here we have some eggs and
Noodles.
huh, noodles and
Chips.
and we have chips. A little bit of everything. That's why it's called Sari Sari, a variety. And we got crackers, cookies,
Bread.
some bread products. We got
Chicharon.
chicharron,
This is like corn.
corn snacks,
Snacks.
all kinds of snacks,
Yeah.
candies for the kids, cigarettes, more candy, fruit tea. What's this stuff?
Rexona. That's underarm.
Oh, underarm, like deodorant. Deodorant. And we got a little baby here. And what else do we have?
That's all about it.
Oh, the refrigerator's full if you need cold products. There's the ice candy, ice water, frozen Yakult, and sodas, energy drinks, Cobra, fruit tea.
Uy, may milk ka pala doon, board.
Coffee.
Coffee, iced coffee,
Like Starbucks.
like Starbucks.
Cappuccino, huh?
Cappuccino.
But yeah, you can see, I mean, it's not very big in here, but she has a variety of everything. And her room is back there, so she sleeps here. So she's here all the time. So she's open 24/7,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Yeah, exactly.
She doesn't sleep, she just stays out.
No, she needs to sleep.
She sleeps. Your sister helps. Family helps. Landlord helps.
Yeah.
But yeah, here it is. Little radio there for music. But this is her little store.
Yeah.
Anything to say about your store?
If you want to buy, you can come here.
You know, that's all about it.
It's all about it. Yeah. And if you purchase soda, you get one of the...
In the Philippines.
It's what?
Only in the Philippines.
Only in the Philippines. And if you purchase soda, you get one of them plastic bags with a straw,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, because some people don't know how to bring back the bottles. If the bottle is missing, you need to pay for it.
Right. So yeah, that's why they have the plastic baggies, because you pay for the bottles, and if you return it, how's that work? If you return it, when you return the bottles, you get money for it, or?
No, some people do is like mostly when you buy a Samiglat or something, and then they don't have bottle. They have, we call it, you need to put like a deposit. Like each bottle you need to pay 5 pesos for it. So depends how many, like so when after you're done drinking or something, when you give back the bottle, you can have your deposit back.
There it is.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Yes.
Oh,
Someone buy.
I think that's all.
that's all? Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else to say. That's all about it.
That's credit. Oh, yeah, she does credit here too. So how's the credit work? Tell us how the credit works.
Credit is not good.
But how is credit supposed to work? Let's put it that way.
Oh, okay. This is how it works. Supposed when you purchase a credit with someone that have store, you were supposed to pay for after how many days? Is it 5 days or something? But some people don't know how to pay them back. The problem is you can't just tell them, hey, I need to ask your credit when did you going to pay for it? Because even they know some people just like come in the other air and then goes to the other side. So you can't just put them in the jail because they have a credit. It's
Right.
not gonna happen. So that's one thing. If you have Sari Sari store, also you need to watch, because you will be broke. You always have a lot of credit.
Too much credit, and then you're broke.
Yeah.
Not enough money to pay for the next round of.
Circle.
There's
You
no
can
circle.
turn around.
There's no
Like-
turnaround.
Like circle your business on because there's credit and there's not a lot. If nobody pay you, then how could you run your business?
For sure. You'd have nothing in here but a bunch of credit on paper.
You know exactly.
All right. Anything else, Let?
That's all.
Nothing?
Nothing.
All
I
right.
don't have story yet, so I don't know.
No store yet. All right. Anything you want to say to the subscribers?
I will say please subscribe to his Brian's channel. Like, share, or dislike. Everything is no! Oh my god.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two.
Please subscribe to Brian's channel. Like, share, dislike.
Comment.
Choice is always yours. Comment. He always read the comment anyway. Some comments are so bad, but you know.
That's it.
That's it.
Anything else to say, Lotus? Lotus?
I don't know.
Boards? That's it. That's a wrap.
Like what Luisa do.